Hi, my name's Jess Hoover, and this is my introduction for the ACTE 655 class. I am a 5th and 6th grade math and science teacher at Lancaster County Christian School in their University Model program. It's a blended program that they are with me 3 days a week and at home 2 days a week with their parents, following the plans that I send home. We just launched a STEM Academy this past school year, and I'm excited to be able to bring that secondary academy down to 5th and 6th grades and see what we can do to prepare them to head on to that. There's Smurfette. She was one of my favorite characters as a kid. My family consists of my husband Jason, 4 kids, a dog, a cat, a guinea pig, and a chinchilla. I love to cook, and I'm a big sports fan. I love to watch sports live or on TV. And these are my kids and my whole family, and this is my dog Finn. He's the only animal I really take credit for having. The rest are belonging to the children. For me, a STEM definition would be that it occurs when the 4 components are intertwined to help students better grasp a concept and see the bigger picture, how it extends into real life. I like that the National Research Council stated that the knowledge and understanding of scientific and mathematical concepts and processes required for personal decision-making, participation in civic and cultural affairs, and economic productivity for all students. I think that's really where we're heading. I mean, we need to be implementing these items now, not just because they're good concepts, but because they create better long-run results that make people better citizens, which we all want that to be happening. In my own classroom this year, one example of a STEM activity was the 5th grade students had to make a working model of the sun, moon, and earth. This boy chose to make a Lego robotics model, which the sun's here in the middle, the earth's over here, and this is the moon. They all rotate and revolve around each other the way they're supposed to be, and he really had to problem solve to figure out how to make everything work the way he wanted to. A little bit of creativity. There's some duct tape right here under the sun holding it down so it doesn't fall over while everything's moving. This girl, she took a car and attached a balloon to it to represent the Earth, and it traveled on a track around the sun, and then she had the moon on a wire that could be spun around as well. Just some examples of the creativity they used. I didn't guide them a whole lot other than telling them make a model, and it had to work. So science practices were develop and use models, construct explanations, obtain, evaluate, and communicate information. So after they researched how it happens in real life, they made a model, and then they showed it to the class and explained how it worked and why, and they had to use the scientific terms to do that. Engineering-wise, again, develop and use models, plan and carry out investigations. They had to play with it to see what worked, what didn't work, and then they had to design solutions based upon that, and obtain, evaluate, and communicate information again. So that's one example. We did Lego robotics this year as well, so I'll have other examples I could share. For me, I think the STEM is important because, like I said in the beginning, that we need to be going beyond just can you calculate quickly and things like that. And so I really liked this quote that Vasquez had on page 1. Indeed, the solutions to some of the most daunting problems facing the nation will require not only the expertise of top STEM professionals, but also the wisdom and understanding of its citizens. So this is whether you're going into a STEM field or not, you still need to be able to have wisdom and understanding to make informed decisions. The video quote that I really appreciated was, whether or not you ever again use the math that you learned in school, the act of having learned the math established a wiring in your brain that didn't exist before. It's that wiring in your brain that makes you a problem solver, and that's what I really want to try to get through to my students. This quote may go on my wall this year, because this is really what we're trying to do, is that it's more than just a quick answer, but can you actually think about it and reason why. Goals for me for this class really just to learn tips on how to better create and implement cohesive STEM lessons and units. I don't think I do it well right now, but I'm looking forward to getting some new strategies and thinking through how this is actually going to look in my room. So that's everything. I'm slightly over, sorry. Thanks for listening. I look forward to interacting with you.